Greetings, loyal followers. Today we have the 70 My A810 4K car camera set front and rear on the test. The new 70 My 4K smart camera set A810 with a built-in GPS system and HDR-R12 rear camera will ensure an even more pleasant and safe ride and the complete safety of your car. Experience a new form of 4K recording without precedent. With the revolutionary Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor. Enjoy crystal clear images, precise color accuracy, and perfectly balanced exposure levels like never before. Also, the high image quality of 3840 by 2160p resolution with a viewing angle of 150 degrees allows you to cover a large field of view while recording license plates, signs, and all other relevant details while driving. Additional features such as ADAS, G-sensor, night recording, and parking control will provide you with a pleasant and safer ride, even at night, and your car will be additionally protected even when parked. Connect to the 70 MII app via the built-in Wi-Fi and check the recordings. Thanks to the 24-hour monitoring function and the built-in G-sensor, your vehicle will be under constant surveillance. When your vehicle is turned off, the A810 camera will go into sleep mode and turn on and start recording when it detects vibration. After detecting vibration collision, the camera automatically activates emergency recording.